What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. What smells so like something burn? Anyway, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. And there I have my nephew Trey. Look here. And my Jenna and my princess niece over there. They have to post over this morning. Hey, so we're on the road again. Miss not like the camera. Anyway.
And she showed them in white pants.
She said for sure in her white pants. That she in her white pants and I go a bush. Let me see if we can get. So she in white pants going to the country today. In a red dirt. But anyway, we are back again going to the farm. Up there gonna look luscious right now. So gorgeous. So guys, we're on the road going to the country. Country road with the pan, you know. Okay, stick around. Yes, Miss Princess. Yes, Miss Princess.
Show his mother.
Me show them already. Yes, that's enough. Yes. Low chili. I don't know if she go to the hospital. The time I come out, they don't want to see her. She come around and say, I'm going to. Because she was even calling her name, him to call. When me I go hear woman to me, they whisper to me, hey, no man, going to the country, figure plant some cali, plant some high drugs up on my yard, you know. Yesterday and the rain fall upon them, I love you. So them I go bust up on nice, like my cucumber them. Yep.
Oh, that's your teeth now off of the farm.
No, I just bring them from off of the farm.
No suspension.
7-day Adventist church. That yes, school and church. Both. Princess, you run inside Peacock normally, they but you got it right. Oh, my nice hairstyle, but I never show me people's. Yeah, I get my hair done. Yeah, guys.
Auntie, look like you know I'm feeling something. You.
It's a dream. I wonder if something here finish. I go pause the video until we reach. Yeah, guys, we reach our destination. And
Daddy would never trouble you.
you can't lock it now.
No. No. Auntie.
Hmm?
Mommy.
Yes, not there.
Just answer the phone when I say when me call.
Big up to my cousin Nicolette in the house.
Uncle Bud.
Sorry, guys. Uncle Wood sound like in their bush. Oh! So, when I reach back on the farm, I don't know where I'm going. Sister. Yeah, guys, so I'm on my way now, going around to the farm to go see what's popping in the morning here. But the way it look like they eat down the apple tree. Wow. Good exercise in the morning, yeah. It's a lucky thing to me have on the strap and all these things in the morning, yeah. Wow. This a hill that make me a breathe strong. Wow. Guys, look at this. Wow. So, I'm gonna go through. Look there. Look on this pop show, yeah. Look at this one. It is so big. Shit. Woo. Whoa. Whoa. Wow, 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 wow. Whoa. Wow. Look at the farm, guys. Wicked and wild. So the rain has poured and all these stuff looking beautiful. Peas fully blossom. So we still have some good peas right there. String bean. Yes. String bean coming up pretty. Yes. Yeah, guys. You know me I breed hard. Tomato them a come. Tomato them a come up. Yeah. The corn them a come up. Yeah. Yes. Wicked and wild. And we have, let me go over here so let's show now one little piece of history. Wrong lane. Wrong lane. Wrong lane, missy, wrong lane. This is the cucumber. Look how big it is. Wow. Look how big the cucumber tree be now. It soon start run go up on them rock here and run all around. See them there? Yes. Yeah. Everything's looking beautiful around here. Yeah, everything's beautiful. Yes, Father God, you are ready to be praised. Yes, let me lately put on. And may I go up on the cornfield. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, guys. Things them pretty on the farm there. Cucumber them getting big. May I go up top to the corn. All of them land here around I see something put in them. Them just not come up yet. Yes, Jesus. And the corn, something I eat to leave them. I guess them get spray Monday. So we come 2 days on the farm. We come on a Monday and we come on a Friday because I have a bar also, so we can come every day. Plus, I do other things. So that's how it goes. Corn growing, cucumber growing, cucumber tree them getting big. Yes, guys. And we had planted a lot of okra. I don't see any okra coming up as yet, but I do see the younger corns coming up. So I go through now, go back to one spot when me know me plant cucumber. Not cucumber, sorry, okra, to see if any had started putting up their head. So nothing yet, but as you see, the farm is coming on well. By next week we'll have nice pop chow to sell. Here, guys. Whee! That was almost a fall. We have planting right here, small planting tree. Yeah. I think we have, yeah man, this is an okra. This is one of the okra coming up. I remember putting her down there. Yes. Oh yeah. No. See them there? I'll put them back here. So I find 2 of them. Look, guys. The okra tree them here. I remember putting these here. Yes. These are some coming up. So give thanks. We've seen some progress on the okra. See one more over there, so. Yeah man, the okra them are progress. See one more here, so. Okra. I don't know it's what my sister them did put for them. But I remember when I put my own them, so I just go through and look if I see them and come up, and I see them and come up. Yeah. We have frost on the land, we did spray them so that the frost don't kill them. What is? Oh, I know what is. This now, guys, is the sweet potato. Yes, this is the sweet potato that mommy had planted. Sweet potato, this will come right here. So she are going to start to run and go and with beer things in her place also. I say want to stick over there, so I know say I want okra one of them plant. Yeah, but apart from me breathing so hard right now, everything else seems okay here. And We are going to do some chopping today. Yeah man, see okra here. Yeah man, see them here? Okra them different. So this what we have right here so is the carrot field. This is a carrot spot. This is a lettuce spot. But nothing yet. Cool? Alright. Cucumber right this will come. Corn them up on the end. And that is the beautiful pak choy down there. Yeah man. So we have carrot bed right here, so lettuce bed right here, so over here so we have onion right here, so see it here, this is the onion right here, so and them actually look like something that come up. Yeah, it look like one onion tree coming right here. So if it's not an onion, it's an okra. Looks like an okra right there, suffering. Yeah man. So over here is pretty moist, nice and moist. Pak choy, gone all about, okra, corn, cucumber. See that? It's coming up. Now I'm going to no more update when them this small. I wait till them get more giant. When we're about to sell them. Woo-hoo. Sell them. Make that moolah. Yeah, so over here so now. This piece of land now, let me go in it. This is the new piece of land. We just spray. We spray this about 2.5 weeks now. We spray this with Gramazone or one of them chemicals that we for kill bush. So today now we are gonna go through because on my phone I use so I don't know if the storage are gonna full up or whatever, because I have to upload then delete whatever, because you know I not reach nowhere yet. So I not have the fancy dandy GoPro camera and all these stuff on them. I don't have that yet. I just have one normal little Android phone I go and do my thing. So over here so we are gonna go through today and chop it out. Clean it up. The reason why we are going to clean it up, I'm going to show you why we are going to clean up over here. So, yep, hold on. Because we are going to put them here over there. Yeah, these are the salad, tomato, suckers. You sucker you! And them this. We are put them over there. So, the part where we are clean up today, we are put them over there because look. See them tree here? Them ready for replant. Move from this one. Them ready for replant. Yeah, so them are going to go over there. I'm going to show you now what I go on with, I guess, our first cucumber tree. This is our first cucumber tree. As you can see, she have on this. I don't even want to touch it because I don't know enough about farming, but it are going to start run now. The reason why we plant it at the rock side them, because it are going to run and take over the whole rock. So them are going to bear on the rock. Yeah, so this is our first cucumber tree. And it are going to start run soon because see it's long something there. Yeah. Oh God, somebody can comment and tell me what I can do to get rid of that heavy breathing problem here. It's annoying. Even though I know I have shorter breath, but yeah. We'll find one more okra. See her here? Should I write her so I do her thing? I don't want to touch them when them lick so. So, I left my last Uncle Buddha shop, not my last. I go back for it right now because I come deal with work over here. So, May I come put my shoulder to the wheel over here, so. Yeah, guys. So, see it? Things are going around here. Yeah. People we call hungry around here. Because you see, what's going on? Food is on the rise. Yes. Food is on the rise. Okay. These are the reason why we spray. I don't remember what is something name why we spray upon it. But this is the reason why. This is the frost. So when the frost go upon it like this, it rotten off the leaf them. These are the frost. So we did eventually Monday we did go through and spray up something upon it for them the frost. Or else all our we are look upon it, so frost would have rotten them down. But glory to God, frost not get rotten them down. Them maybe I'm going to catch one or one, two leaf. Awesome. Like so people pitney. Yeah. But them not get everything. You sucker you. You don't get everything. Yeah man, girl I sweat. Yeah man, work hard and sweat man also.